Good day, Mom, Sir. My name is Jessica Almasan, 26 years old, single. I live in San Juan, Ilagan City, Isabela, Philippines. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am a hardworking and independent person. I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid. My duties and responsibilities are I can do cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. And I serve 3 adults, 1 children, and I teach the children on how to write her name. And we play and sing. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And if you choose me, Mom, Sir, I will do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities in your home. And that's it, Mom, and thank you very much, and have a great day, and God bless.